Welcome back to the new class. The last class we had discussed about the 3-digit, 1-digit division. So we are continuing the third chapter, equal share. Now we are going to discuss the 4-digit, 2-digit division. Is a division is depend upon the multiplication table. So you should study the multiplication table. Okay. Then what about the first question is 1752 divided by 12. Then we are using the division sign and doing this problem. 1752 divided by 12. If that you don't know the 12 multiplication table 12, then how to find out this answer? Then first of all we are taking the first 2-digit number. First number is 1. 1 is not possible to 12. Then we are taking the 17. We are taking 17. Then how many 12 in 17? Only 1 times. Then 1 12s are 12. Then subtract these two numbers. 7 minus 2. What is the answer? 5. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. No need to write here. Then again 5 is write down. We got what? 55. Okay. Then giving the divisor is 12. Divisor is 12. How to find out the answer? This how many 12 in 55? We already know that 12 plus 12, what is the answer? 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 12, what? 36. Then 36 plus 12, what? 48. So you multiply by 12 into 3 or 12 into 4 or 12 into 5. Like that you have find out how many 12 in 55. So now we are going to do 12 into 4. What is the answer? 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. What is the answer? 48. 48 is the nearest multiple of 12 in 55. Then 4 times 48. Then subtract this number. 5 minus 8 possible? No. So one borrow from 5. Here become 15. 15 minus 8 what? 7. Then 2. This 2 is balance here. The 2 is write down. 72. Then how many 12 in 72? We already know that 12 into 4 equal to 48. So let's take a 12 into what? 6. Then you are taking 12 into 5. Then you are taking 12 into 6. Do like that, okay? 12 2s are 6 2s are 12. 1 is the carryover. 6 1s are 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, 72. How many times are? 6 times. 72 minus 72. What is the answer? 72 minus 72? 0. Then 1752 divided by 12 equal to what is the answer? 146. Understood? Same as do the next question. 2926 divided by 14. Now please here. So I rub this question. Then what is next? 2926 divided by 14. You don't know 14 table. So how to find out this answer? Then you are multiplying 14 into 2, 14 into 3 like that. You multiply and find out the answer. Okay. Then next also 29. Then 14, how many times of 29? How many times in 29? 14 plus 14, what is the answer? Or 14 into 2. 14 into 2, what is the answer? 14 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2. What is the answer? 28. Then how many times? 2 times 28. Then minus. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 is write down. 12. 12 is possible to 14 divided by 12 is possible? No. So, the one number is write down. If it is not possible, you have put 1 0 on the quotient. Once again I repeat, one number is write down. If it is not possible to division, then you have put 1 0 on the quotient. Understood? Then again one number is write down. Then 6. We already know that 14 into 10, what is the answer? 14 into 10, 140. 140. Here only what? 126. We don't know the 14 table. Then how to find out how many 14 in 126? First of all, you are doing 14 into 10. 14 into 10, what is the answer? 140. 140. Then you take just before the number, what is 9? Then 14 into 9, what is the answer? 14 into 9. 4 9s are 36. 3 is the carryover. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 3 what? 9 plus 3 12. Then what is the answer? 126. Then how many 14 in 126? 9 times. Then 126. What is the answer? Remainder is 0. So 2926 divided by 14. What is the answer? 209. Then I know that you don't know the table 12 and the table 14. Then how to find out? You do like that. 14 into 3, 14 into 4, like that. You find out the answer. Understood? There's so many problems are given in your textbook. So I will give later that. Next of all, you find out how to find out the dividend and the divisor. Some questions are given here. Then what is this? What is this, children? Dividend. This is one equation. So you study this equation. How to find out the dividend? We already know that this is the question. This is one question. 4. How many 4 in 9? 2. 8, 1. We already know that this is the quotient. Quotient is the answer. The division answer is called what? Quotient. This is the quotient. This is the remainder. What is? Remainder. What is this? This is dividend. What is? Dividend. Understood? This is what? This is divisor. Understood? This is the quotient, dividend, remainder, divisor. Understood? Quotient is a top. This is a dividend. This is the remainder. This is the divisor. How to find out the dividend? You look at the screen and do what is the equation? How to find out the dividend? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then how to find out this dividend is 9. Divisor into quotient. Divisor is 4. Into quotient is 2. Plus remainder. Remainder is 1. Now to find out the dividend. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. You look here. Quotient. Divisor is 4. Into quotient into 2. Remainder plus 1. Okay. The divisor into quotient plus remainder. 4 into 2 plus 1. What is the answer? 4 into 2, 8. Plus 1. What is the answer? 9. What is the dividend? Dividend is 9. Understood how to find out the dividend? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Understood. Then one question is given here. What is the question? Divisor, quotient and remainder is given. Then divisor is what? 16. Dividend equal to divisor 16. Divisor into 16 into quotient is 23. Divisor into quotient 16 into 23 plus remainder is what? 8 plus remainder plus 8. Understood? Using this equation, we find out the dividend. 16 into 23 plus 8. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then you are doing 16 into 23. 16 into 23. 3 6 are 18. 1 is the carryover. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Then what about the next year? It's at tens place. 6 2s are 12. Then 1's place you have put to 0. No need to write any number here. Okay, 6 2s are 12. 2 is right here. 1 is the carrier. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. Then what is the answer? 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 3. Then what is the answer? 368. 16 into 23. What is the answer? 368 plus 8. Plus 8. What is the answer? 8 plus 8, 16. What is the carryover? 6 plus 1, 7. 3 is right down. Then what is the answer? 376. 376. 376. Then what is the dividend is? 376. Understood all of you? Then we have find out the dividend divisor into quotient plus remainder. The question is divisor is 16, quotient is 23, remainder is 8. Then what is the answer? You do this problem, we have got 376. Find out the dividend. Next you are going to study how to find out the divisor. Divisor. Then what is the equation? Divisor equal to dividend minus remainder by quotient. Understood? Divisor equal to dividend minus remainder by quotient. Okay. Then how to find out? Dividend is what? 527. Dividend equal to divisor equal to dividend minus remainder. Dividend is 527. Remainder is 7. So we can write 527 minus 7 by quotient. Quotient what? 20 by 20. Then what is the answer? 527 minus 7. 520 by 20. Understood? Then we are doing 520 divided by 20. The numerator and the denominator are 2 0. So you cut it these 2 0. Numerator and the denominator is 1 0 each. So you cut it. Then 2 divided by 52. How to find out? 52 divided by 2. Then 2 how many times in 5? How many 2 in 5? 2 times. 4. Then 5 minus 4, 1. 2 is right down. 12. Then 2 how many 2 in 12? 6 times. 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 12, what is the answer? 0. So we do that 520 divided by 20 is equal to, divisor is equal to what? 26. Using this equation, divisor is what? 26. So you should study these two equations. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor equal to dividend minus remainder by quotient. Then we say this only 2 examples only gave here. So many examples in your textbook. One table is given in your textbook. So you do it that. Okay, find out the dividend and the divisor. Then you also find out the quotient and the remainder. That you already know that how to find out the quotient and the remainder. You do the direct division. So I hope you all are understood today's problem. If you have any doubt, ask me the class time. Okay.